What if the most iconic off-road beast ever built came back from the future? This is the 2027 Hummer H1 Alpha, a machine that doesn't just dominate terrain, it dominates presence. From its aggressive stance to its ultra-modern lighting and luxury-filled interior, this is not just a revival, it's a complete evolution. And today, we're diving deep into everything from its bold exterior design to its high-tech interior and what could be powering this beast in 2027. Starting from the front, and honestly, it's impossible to ignore. The H1 Alpha stays true to its military-inspired DNA, but now it's sharpened with a futuristic edge. That full-width LED light bar integrated into the grille instantly grabs attention, paired with illuminated Hummer lettering that feels bold, modern, and unmistakably premium. The bumper is massive and functional, featuring heavy-duty tow hooks and rugged skid plate styling, reminding you that this is still a true off-road machine at heart. Moving to the side, the proportions are exactly what you'd expect: wide, tall, and unapologetically muscular. The flared fenders, chunky all-terrain tires, and high ground clearance scream capability. But look closer, and you'll notice refined details, clean panel lines, gloss black finishes, and premium wheel designs that elevate it into luxury territory. At the rear, things get even more interesting. Slim, horizontal LED taillights give it a modern signature, while the rear-mounted spare tire keeps that classic H1 identity alive. The stance? Wide, planted, dominant. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Step inside, and everything changes. The rugged exterior gives way to a fully modern, ultra-luxurious cockpit. Dominating the dashboard is a massive, ultra-wide digital display stretching from driver to passenger, seamlessly combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one continuous glass panel. It's clean, futuristic, and incredibly immersive. The steering wheel feels thick and commanding, wrapped in premium leather with metallic accents, perfectly balancing toughness and refinement. Down at the center console, you'll find a crystal-like gear selector, surrounded by minimalist controls and hidden storage. Everything designed to feel clean, intuitive, and high-end. The seats? Wrapped in diamond-stitched black leather, offering both comfort and a commanding driving position. And then there's the experience. From the driver's point of view, hands gripping the wheel, looking out toward endless mountain roads. This Hummer doesn't just transport you, it puts you in control of the world around you. Now, while official specs haven't been confirmed based on these visuals, we can make some strong predictions. Given the direction, the 2027 H1 Alpha is very likely to adopt an all-electric or hybrid high-performance powertrain. We're talking about instant torque delivery, advanced all-wheel drive system, multiple terrain modes for extreme environments, and potentially over 1,000 horsepower if it follows the EV Hummer lineage. Combine that with adaptive suspension and off-road tech, and you're looking at a vehicle that can go from luxury driveway to extreme wilderness without hesitation. If this design makes it into production, expect the 2027 Hummer H1 Alpha to sit firmly in the ultra-premium segment. Estimated pricing could land somewhere between $150,000 to $220,000 plus, depending on configuration. As for release, we could realistically see a debut around late 2026, with availability rolling into 2027. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate comeback of an icon, or the beginning of a completely new era for Hummer? One thing is certain, the 2027 Hummer H1 Alpha isn't just built to drive. It's built to dominate in style, in power, and in presence. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you take this beast off-road, or keep it parked in your dream villa? See you in the next one.